Reinforce the door handles of your BMW X5 E53 for ultimate durability. Broken door handles are a common issue with BMW X5 E53 models. To solve this problem, I offer a reliable and durable reinforcement of the mechanisms, whether they are already broken or still in good condition. Why choose my reinforcement kit? Steel reinforcement, a sturdy, durable part that permanently resolves the issue. Stainless steel rod replaces the original cable, which often freezes in winter. This upgrade ensures smoother and faster door operation. Hassle-free solution with this reinforced mechanism. You'll no longer face door opening problems, even in cold weather. If you're interested in this reinforcement kit for your BMW X5 E53, feel free to contact me for more information.